Welcome back to U.S. News Briefs. If you have a side hustle, sell items online, or even just use cash apps to split bills with friends, we have massive breaking news that will save you a massive headache this tax season. For the last 3 years, the IRS has been threatening to launch the highly controversial Venmo Tax, a rule that would force payment apps to report anyone making over $600 directly to the government. Today, we are bringing you the ultimate good news. The $600 rule has been officially and completely canceled for 2026. Let's break down exactly what this means for your wallet. The panic started a few years ago when a law was passed aimed at taxing the gig economy. The IRS was told to issue a Form 1099-K to anyone receiving more than $600 through third-party networks like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, Etsy, and eBay. However, thanks to the newly passed One Big Beautiful Bill Act for 2026, that $600 threshold has been entirely wiped out and retroactively repealed. The IRS has officially reverted the rule back to the old, much higher standard. So, what is the actual rule right now? You will only trigger a 1099-K tax form if you receive over $20,000 in gross payments, and you conduct more than 200 separate transactions in a single calendar year. If you sell an old couch on Facebook Marketplace for $800, or you make a few $1,000s doing freelance work on the side, the payment platforms will not automatically report you to the IRS. Millions of casual sellers and gig workers are completely off the hook this year. If you appreciate getting the real facts without the fake news panic, please hit that like button and subscribe to U.S. News Briefs right now. We are dedicated to bringing you the exact 2026 rule changes that impact your daily life. Now, we do need to issue one quick warning. Because the IRS changed their minds so late in the game, some payment apps might have accidentally mailed out 1099-K forms at lower amounts because their computers were already programmed for it. Furthermore, certain states have their own local reporting limits. If you receive a 1099-K by mistake for personal transactions, like friends paying you back for dinner, do not panic. You simply note it on your tax return as a non-taxable personal transaction, so the IRS knows you do not owe money on it. Before you go, it is time for the question of the day. Do you use apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App for a side hustle, or just for personal use with family? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you for trusting U.S. News Briefs, and I will see you in the next update.